Earning $5,000 a day with ChatGPT is possible if you apply the right strategies. Leverage AI to offer valuable services and create scalable business models. Freelancing is a quick way to earn with ChatGPT. Generate top-tier content, copywriting, and SEO articles for premium prices. Specialize in high-paying industries, offer packages starting at $2,000, and work with 2-3 clients to reach your target. Create digital products like ebooks and courses that can be sold indefinitely, increasing your revenue potential. Identify in-demand niches and sales platforms to maximize your reach. Selling 100 products at $50 can help achieve $5K. Build an agency with ChatGPT to provide services like content creation and social media management for high income. Offer packages from $3,000 to $5,000, attracting 1 to 2 clients daily to generate substantial revenue. Utilize affiliate marketing by creating high-quality content to promote affiliate products and earn commissions. Promote high-ticket affiliate products and aim for 5 to 10 sales daily to reach your $5 goal. Creating a SaaS product that addresses a specific issue can lead to significant income. ChatGPT can assist in many aspects. Identify a niche, offer subscriptions, and aim for 50 to 100 signups daily for $5 in recurring income. Consulting services for businesses implementing AI can also be highly lucrative. Package your expertise appropriately. Just one consulting client can help you earn $5K by showing businesses how to leverage ChatGPT efficiently. Content creation on platforms like YouTube or TikTok can generate significant income when monetized correctly with ads and sponsors. If you achieve 100,000 views daily, your revenue can easily reach $5K with ads and affiliate links. Making $5,000 a day with ChatGPT is realistic if approached strategically, focusing on high-value solutions.